Heyo, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Happy Thursday. Hope you're doing well. Happy Halloween. What's up, Andrew, Froggy, Caleb, Frostbite, Midnight, Ferdaz, Dev, Tom. What's up? Miguel, got along from 377. It was short-lived because of spike down. All right. Deshaun Fernando, what's up? Rodri, Arnesis, Mr. Bond, Slee, Angelos, Loreni. What's up, Loreni? Mespa, how y'all doing? Eddie, good morning, happy Halloween. What's up, David? How you doing? All right. So yesterday, it was a green to red day. Pretty close to my drawdown. Ended up just having to reset the accounts, and then made about $4,600. And then traded Globex, and down about $1,000 to start the day. Got chopped up in Globex. Had a really nice short. I fell asleep, and I woke up a little later, and I checked on it, and we moved far enough away from my entry, so I was like, oh, I might as well cover a break even here. And then we ticked my stop loss at break even and kept going lower when I was asleep, so it didn't work out. So accounts are at 153.5 to start off the day. I could pass today if I get some nice trades and turn up the heat, crank up the size a little bit. No costume, bro. I'm wearing a human costume. I'm actually a robot. What's up, Sour Planet Daniel, Ron, David, Gregors, greetings from Poland. What's up, Eduardo? How you doing? Dawn, let's get some green today. Sounds good. Going all in on NASDAQ 100 long. Well, I don't trade NASDAQ 100, just to clarify. It's just the NASDAQ index futures here in the States. I think it's probably the same price action or very similar price action to the NAS 100. I'm not necessarily just hopping in longs. We're opening up 3/4 of a point down. Sorry, 3/4% down. Said that wrong. So not necessarily gung-ho on longs just yet, but we are in a little uptrend since like 5 a.m. Okay, Olivier, what's up? Timothy, how you doing? Frostbite, how much money you've spent on resets? I don't fucking know. I did reset the accounts midnight, yes. Olivier, what's up? Pietro, how you doing? Alberti, what's up? Chris says, not forcing anything today. If we begin to range, I'm going to look at metals. Okay. Interesting. I got silver ready to go here. Probably going to swing max contracts on silver. No, I'm not. Yeah, we're under VWAP here on ES. So we'll have to see how we open up here. I don't really have much of a bias either way. It's a nice little buy up. I'm trying not to like overanalyze the overnight action too much because it's done on lower volume and yeah. But we did have jobless claims out an hour ago. So what does that candle look like? 7:30. Yeah, okay. It's a pretty small candle, I think. That's the jobless candle right there. All right, let's have a great day. Moving lower, moving lower. Oh, what the hell?
Let me show you something.
Sorry, I got the washer going on a spin cycle, and I know how some of you guys don't like that noise, so I have myself muted. But this is a nice drop. And what's up, Joe, Tina? How you guys doing? Yeah, just sitting on the sidelines here watching this drop. I mean, look at this 15-minute candle developing. This is massive. Midnight was right when he said buckle up. This is I mean, this is a sick drop. If you got this short, congratulations. My gosh, this is just plummeting. Manifest, glad to have you in the Discord. After your free trial's up, it's just $1,000 a week. But don't worry, it's well worth it. No, I'm just kidding. Discord's free, so if anyone else wants to join, !Discord. Hopefully that link is still good, the invite link. But yeah, come hang out, post your thoughts, chat, whatever. Watching here, see if we reclaim overnight lows or if it rejects again. Reject on my short. Alright, I'm gonna try this short. Don't really have a lot of targets below, and this is a decent bounce spot. So maybe I'm offsides here, but worth a shot to see if there's more downside. looks like I've, yeah, stopped out. So this is a decent bounce spot, so I'll watch and see if there's a long play. Chris, I just outlined what I was looking for. Rejection or reclaim. And everything's the bottom until it's not. I think that comment's obnoxious. If we continue sinking, I didn't short the bottom, okay? Trying to short again here. Background noise is my washer. That's why I'm keeping myself on mute as much as possible. Sorry about it. Keep an eye on VIX too, because we spiked up to 20 and a quarter, and then it's rejected back down to 1985. So pretty large wick right now on VIX. So I'll try the short again. Killed it. Seeing if we can get a bounce here. A little tricky here. I mean, ES has some nice divergence here. Have you been watching Carmen series? I saw, I think maybe the second video. But I've pretty much just already seen him teach all that before in his course. So it's mostly not new information to me, but I would like to get better at order flow, so it is nice to try to absorb the information again, you know. I'm tempted to try an early long, but it feels dangerous. Yeah, the orange folder, Chicago Puma. Yeah. Yeah, this is a really nice spot to bounce at. Does order flow help with direction? Yeah, it does. Sounds like you're driving a semi-truck while trading. Yeah. Had to put a V8 in my washer. So I'll push lower here. This was tough for me to catch, apparently. The problem is, I hate starting the day off down 1,000. That really fucks me up because I don't give the trades enough room, you know? Like, I'm just like, dang, if I take an L on here, that's like down 2,000. Then like you're pretty much 2/3 the max line. It really gets in your head. It sucks. It's all right. It's just frustrating. Just frustrating. I was kind of pissed last night getting chopped up, and then, you know, also would have been a nice trade short I had, and I, you know, moved to break even in Globex, and yeah, I don't know. Just like kind of pissed. And then I woke up, I was just like kind of pissed that the trade didn't work out because it top ticked me on a pull, on like a, you know, retest, and man, it was just like, I don't know, it just put me in like a kind of a bad mood going into this fucking trading session. I'm just feeling frustrated because like a lot of the Globex trades didn't work out. These trades here didn't work out, so I'm just trying to reset, you know. Yeah, sit on the sidelines if you feel some type of way about your penalty. That's good advice. Well, let's see if ES can fucking bottom out here. All right, that washer's finally done. Honestly, I'm tense. I'm like scared to try to short this again. Yeah, I am frustrated. I don't take 5. Yeah, I'm gonna go get coffee. It's a good idea. Just kind of try to reset. All right, nice drop down, breaking 200s. I had a short on my personal account too. That would have been, my target was front running 200s, and that would have been a massive, like a $1,500 trade, which would have been a huge trade for that account. But I got stopped. All right, let's look at the bigger picture here. Daily chart. It's a pretty nice drop. Jeez. Imagine if you shorted news at 7:30 and then just chilled. All right, well, gotta stay on the short side until price says otherwise. SMCI and the semiconductors are just dragging this whole thing down. Man. What a nice sell-off here. Midnight, did you catch any of this move? I feel like you had a premonition of a kind of an expansion. Excuse me. Up 150 points, Midnight. Nice. Just closed it. Well done. Well done, Midnight. I don't really have a whole lot below here to... Yeah, I don't know. Some stuff from the 23rd. It's like 8 days ago, about a week ago. These 15-minute candles are monsters. Remember when I shorted the lows? Remember when I shorted the lows up here? Shorting the opening, the overnight lows retest? That was the lows, guys. Can't believe I shorted that. What an idiot. So dumb to short the lows, guys. So dumb. Mr. Hindsight Trader. A nice negative 100-point rally. I'm mostly just making fun of somebody who was saying, why did I short the lows up there when I shorted the overnight low reject? Yeah, Joe, of course. Go ahead. What's up, Sam? Good morning. Yeah. So, all right, Joe, help me with this then. Well, okay, like I'm trying to think through what my issue is of waiting for the actual break, like you always suggest. Is my entry is lower, and so then, like, I don't know, where would you short here if you're looking for a break? On this candle? So then if you get any sort of pullback, you're really, I don't know, you're like, to me, you're really sweating the pullbacks then. Break of the low, so like right, like there. And then you could take it off when we slow down, which is pretty much here. Yeah, no pullback, yeah. I see what you mean. I could try to do it. I'm just like conditioned to like want to buy a pullback. It's like, you know, the Tom Hogarth's grocery store. People want to buy a sale, you know, you want to get a discount. I just find like the pullbacks just make it so much more comfortable to sit in a trade. But what you're saying, Joe, is you don't have to sit in a trade if you wait for the break. So I could try that. I feel like sometimes I've done that and it's, you know, I don't know. Sometimes I'm like, sometimes it'll break by like a couple ticks and I get in and then it rejects, you know, and moves against me. And I'm like, oof. So you don't wait for a candle close on a breakdown or breakout. But for an ad, you wait for the close. Yeah, Roger. Yeah. Just grab it as it's breaking. Okay. All right. All right. I really struggle with that, but yeah, the proof is in those two trades. You're very correct about that. That's just like you're probably like sitting there shorting and be like, dude, why don't you get a short, man? Why are you just sitting there watching it? Yeah, lower the size. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Daniel Long, you're long 10. I don't, you know, maybe it's a V recovery, but this is hard to long, just looking at any sort of higher time frame. I do like the 5-minute doji, so you all right, bro? Get a little reverse sneeze going. Hang on, I got you. Chester, feel that little reverse sneeze going on. Oh, you all right? See how it respected the FVG? Did you see that? Chester, here. Come on. Bro. Should I sell this break here? Actually, would rather long. I look at ES. Kind of want to long this. Be kind of early here. and pretty dangerous. Dave is just a perma bull. It'd be a pretty sick entry if it does bounce at any around here. No, Joe, you should give advice. It's good advice. Some people are dense. Some people are thick-headed like myself. Might take 3 months of saying, hey, dude, do this. No, I appreciate the input. Most people giving advice are not professional traders. They don't do it full time. No one likes a professional trader's advice, I feel like. They want some different kind of answer, right? You're always like, yeah, it works for you, but not for me. I mean, I say that. Tempted to short that, Joe. Tempted to short that. I think I do short this, to be honest. I'm gonna short it. I know, shorting the lows, guys. What? Shorting the lows like a madman. See if we get more of a push here. Nice twisty. Alright, this could turn into a pretty red day here. I mean, it already is 1.86% down. Okay. ES has relative strength right now, so NQ is weaker, and I, by default, trade NQ, so I wouldn't switch to ES in this instance. Thanks, Andre. It's nice of you. So Joe, if we get a heavy close here, you would add to it, right? Nah. Wasn't heavy enough. Yeah, I mean, if you look back at this consolidation period, you would think, oh yeah, this is the lows, we're done. And then we got a massive drop. So it always looks, I mean, it always feels like it looks that way. Gotcha. And no pullback really. So I would like ES to move lower though. All right, I'll try to quick kill if it's looking like it's getting some momentum to the upside. It is looking a little, keeps teasing to push lower and then going right back to my entry. Yeah, I got you, Joe. Seems like a good risk management strategy. All right, I'll just kill that there. Can you show where you already entered? It's just these points of consolidation that are getting me here. So if I was just trading the breakouts better, I wouldn't be trading the consolidation. I think I still have to stay on the short side though. Unless we get a really clear reversal. Ten lots on the move up. What if it's not a move up? What if I miss time to move up? Ooh, I'd be in trouble. What's up, Neil? How you doing? I want to short this. ES is putting in new lows now. It's Wicks. No, we're not. All right. I think if we get back into 200s, there's longs. 5 minute strong like bull. This 5 minute? What kind of bull? Like a baby bull? All right. Let's see if we can do some work here. Still short with my stop B. Top of this wick. 2-0, 203, probably 204. Thanks, Matthew. Appreciate it. So what? You want to short short the short stop losses? You want to short 200? Nice job, Twisty. Catch you later. Oh, you'll buy. I see. I see what you're saying. Once the shorts stop out, it'll add fuel when they cover. It adds fuel to the move up. VIX has been pumping all morning a bit. VIX, are you asking what it is or what the number is? It's at a 20 and a quarter right now. It's a volatility index if you're asking what it is. We're alongside their, if they bought long here, it'd be low day. If they bought over here, it's low day. Kind of just feels like I'm not going to catch the move. But I didn't catch the move. Gotta be patient. VIX and Bitcoin haven't reported earnings yet. I will hold my breath until they do. PWL, where's PWL? $78. $79. All right, whatever. Down we go. This is ORL. Oh no, okay, never mind. Well, tempted to add to this if we get a good close. But it's kind of slow. Yeah, it's not good enough. All right, squashed it at a break even there. I tried to do like a Joe trade there. Just didn't get the follow through. But it was quick kill for essentially a scratch. Yeah, so no loss. All right. Is the pro trader onto something here? It's like you just really had to shift your mindset about the stuff, and yeah, it does feel good. Even though I didn't make money on that trade, it gave you a lot of upside. You like a 136 short? It's like a wick test or something. Just short and close your eyes. Yeah, yeah, woulda, coulda, you know. Short and close your eyes. Anywhere higher seems like a better idea. Here it just feels like we're pretty extended at this point, down 2% on the day about. So we might just continue flushing, but I think I'll keep my eyes open. Yeah, if I would have done that earlier, a lot of money. Yeah, a lot of money on the table. You're right. All right. Next trend day. I'm going to do it. Next trend day. My data Why did my data mess up like that? Oh. It's never too late to learn. Yeah, no, it's a constant. I feel like even if you have been trading professionally for a long time, you're still trying to get better. Still like shorts. I mean, we haven't put a green 5-minute or blue 5-minute candle in the entire session. Just passed 5 new evals in 3 trades. Wow. Well done. STFLZZ, nice job. Congrats. I don't think I have a big stop loss. It's just, I mean, the movements today have been very volatile, which does increase where you have to place a stop. All right. Showing a little sign of a bounce potentially. Good time to go long, maybe. I mean, it'd be a pretty quick turnaround. There's a lot of heavy momentum to the downside, and so now you're asking the market to just go and then just pump with buy orders, which I don't know. We do get, we definitely do get those V bottoms. I mean, we've been getting them lately. I do like, if this holds, this could be a nice pop higher here. All right, I'll try this long. You're green $1 on the day? Oh, lucky. Something's going on here. Is sold? Did I sell this by accident? Accidental profit? Oh, it's a short. Yeah, I did not mean to take that, but I will literally take it. Maybe I just have to inverse myself. I'm fading myself, guys. It's honestly a good hack. I'm doing quite well. I didn't want to be one of those days. I'm just gonna trail now. That's hilarious. That's really funny, actually. My one green trade today, I faded myself, and wow. Actually, let's see here. Now this looks. I'll just take it off here. That's so funny. Okay. Sometimes you have to outsmart yourself to make money in the markets, guys. I'm gonna make a video about it. Here's my secret hack. I still like my long idea, but yeah. Like nice strong candle and then just tiny little sell candles. Kind of bull flagging here. You know why? You know why it happened is because I like to double click on the chart of where I want to get long. But if you double click above price, it does a sell order, and if you double click below price, it does a buy order. And I forget that sometimes. But that's really funny. Just gotta outsmart yourself to win at this game, guys. A lot of people aren't talking about this. It is my secret to trading riches. Still like longs here. Going to 200 again. Alright, I might grab this here. I think we got the juice. Alright, let's pop long. What's up, Joel? Long time no see. How you doing? Been going all right. Well, okay. Stopped on that. Just getting a lot of paper cuts today, and the paper cuts are a little bit deeper than usual. So, having a terrible time, honestly. I just keep getting in consolidations. How's trading been the last month or so? It's been hit or miss. Some really good days and then some terrible days. Gotta just fade myself again. That's where I was having success. Short till lows a day, says Dominic. I think. Short till lows a day, I think. I mean, I wouldn't mind getting an inverse head and shoulders, you know, kind of rounding out around here in the 140s for a move higher. I did have the perfect entry short when I got in, yeah. Go figure, right? You're screaming to keep it. Yeah, it's just, this to me isn't very bearish. And then you get that pop, still not bearish. That's not great. It's whatever. And then all of a sudden you're like, okay, yeah, it's good. So ES coming into its lows here. Let's see if we can continue dropping on ES. I don't think I have a whole lot of stuff below here. I don't have anything marked down on my chart. About to make new low on ES, so short NQ. You don't know if it's going to make a new low on ES, though. And sometimes it'll make a new low. I mean, it's done this recently. You know, one index makes the little low, and then it gets bought up, and then the other index holds and moves higher, and then we bounce. So, yeah, it does look good that ES is making new lows. But I don't want to just count my NASDAQ chickens before they drop. But looking at the 5 minute, I mean, oof, hard to feel bullish about that. So I guess I would just look for more short opportunities, but this is right in the middle here. Be better to, you know, short up there, something like that. That's a really nice drop on NAS, or ES rather. It's not a bad idea, Grizz. IB set, yep. Nelly, PWL is previous week low. Semiconductors are dragging down the market. Pop. SMCI has some issues, potentially legal issues, or I don't know. When your auditors resign, that's not a good sign. Or whoever it was, not the auditors. Was their accountants who resigned from SMCI. It was Ernst & Young. So when those guys resign because they don't trust management's numbers, it's not a good sign at all. All right, NASDAQ at its lows. ES made new lows. So let's see what happens, I guess. Potential double bottom, but again, I'm not champing at the bit to go long. I think, I don't know what I would need for a long, honestly. The obvious would be a higher high. There's the divergence between the two indices here, but that doesn't mean long NASDAQ. I don't have a current position, that's why you can't see it. Yes, retesting the previous lows here, right at the pivot. Got the bounce for a quick 1600 on the day. This bounce earlier, the actual good bounce at around 913. GG's. It's right here at Tritium. I know the feeling. Ciao, Paco. When you blow your account, you're gonna have a party on here. All right, Joe. I don't think you're gonna do it, but it's all right. You can have Joe blew a combine party. Good price to go long and look for 240s. Yeah. I mean, we are, I like the higher low there on ES and double bottom here in NAS. So the problem is you're really working against a heavy red day. So the risk reward's terrific. You could just risk, 15 points, whatever. Don, Joe didn't actually blow his combine. He's trading 150K account. Which Joe will be quick to remind you it's $450, $100 in drawdown. Which is important to remember. I do like VIX pulling off here, even though we're pretty much making new lows. So we can hold 120s here. I might try along. All right, Nelly, have a good handful of days out. A little volatility picking up here at the lows. All right, we'll try this here. Samuel, what are you, my mother? I don't need you checking in on me. Worry about your own trading. What's up, McZachary? Good morning. Try reversals instead. What do you think I'm doing, man? I'm long right now. I catch a fair amount of reversals. Stop loss. I have a max loss of $3,000 today, so I either put the stop loss there or I hit max loss regardless, right around there. So it doesn't really matter. Okay, took new lows. This happens when you buy lows, what you think are lows. You're either a freaking hero with a sick entry, or you just get run over as the trend continues. Boy. What's up, Kevin? Pretty sure Joe's already a millionaire, Neil. My stop loss here. Oh, like a tick away from getting hit. Alright, well, frustrating day for me. Alrighty, I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it here. I'm not really having any fun, and I'm just, you know, just not trading well. So I think it's best just to walk away early today. So thanks for hanging out. I'll be back tomorrow for a Friday stream. See you later.